everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. My recipe for you today is sweet potato and apple bake. My ingredients are 2 apples, 1 parsnip, 2 sweet potatoes, coconut fry light spray, cinnamon, a half a glass of no added sugar apple juice, and a tablespoon of butter. So let's get started. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to peel and chop the apples, sweet potato and parsnip into nice small cubes. So here you can see how I've peeled and chopped up the parsnip, sweet potato and apple into nice small cubes. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put the butter in the microwave just for 15 seconds so it can melt. After the butter is melted, we are now ready to start adding everything into the baking dish. So I've just put my oven on 200 degrees so it can preheat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in the coconut spray into the end of the baking tray. And now we're going to add in the apples, sweet potato and parsnip. So once that's all added into the baking tray, next thing is to add in the half a glass of apple juice. So just pour it evenly over the fruit and veg. And then we're also going to mix in the melted butter. And then the last thing to add in is the ground cinnamon. So now all the ingredients are added. What we're going to do next is just give it a mix around. And so now it's ready for it to go in the oven, and we're going to leave it in the oven to cook for approximately 45 to 50 minutes until everything is nice and soft. So I'm going to keep coming back and checking on it maybe every 15 minutes just to make sure it's cooking well. So just taking them out of the oven after 15 minutes, I've been in there cooking. So just make sure when you take them out that you give it a good mix around so that all the apple juice can cover over the fruit and the vegetables. So just give it a stir around each time that you take it out after the 15 minutes. So I'm going to put it back in now and leave it to cook for another 30 minutes. So now just doing another check after another 15 minutes of cooking. So the sweet potato is still hard, the apple is nice and soft, and the parsnip is still a little bit soft as well. So just mix it around, get all the apple juice for it to be mixed in over the sweet potato and parsnip. So also what I'm going to do this time is cover over the baking tray with tin foil. And then we're going to put it back in the oven and leave it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. So now I've just taken it back out of the oven after another 15 minutes of cooking. So 45 minutes in total it's been cooking in the oven. So checking now. So the sweet potato is nice and soft. And also the parsnip is nice and soft. And the apple is nice and soft, it's almost becoming a little bit mushy there. So it's all ready now, and all we have to do now is serve. So there's my sweet potato and apple bake served up with some nice salmon and sweet corn. So if you like this video guys, please do like and subscribe below, and thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day.